my name is Abdulaziz and today's lesson is about Photoshop tutorials part 7, and today we're gonna learn about inserting images and save it as your favorite file. So let's get started. First of all, come up to your image that you have saved it. So I want to share this image to Photoshop. The first thing we have to do is right click and find open with and select Adobe Photoshop. Now this is the first way of inserting images. Now I'll show you the second way of inserting images. Remember, you cannot insert one image for 2 or 3 times more times. You have to upload it for one time. Firstly, I will remove it, and next way is drag to your Photoshop. This is a second way of creating a new file. So let's make it as layer. Okay, file, save as. Now find your file to save it. Here I'm just gonna save it as JPG. You can also save it as PNG or BMP, or if you save it as Photoshop PSD, you can continue your project. Firstly, save it as JPG. Save. Okay. Now file, save again, Photoshop PSD, save. Now here, open your file and just close it. Here. Now as you can see, this is our image. We have just save it as JPG, and as you can see, this is our JPG file, and there's also PSD file of our image. This is JPG. So until next time, bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Extreme Learning.